Hey, it's Rick. Welcome back to my channel. If you follow my channel, you know from time to time I do product reviews. This is a product review video. It's going to be on the Frost King heat and air deflector for redirecting floor or wall heat or cooling. Heavy duty plastic with magnetic hold for central forced air systems, improve heating and cooling. It says it's unbreakable and it's adjustable. It'll adjust out from 8 inches to 14 inches or 20.3 centimeters and 35.5 centimeters. There's the instructions. It's magnetic. Like I said, it'll go on the floor or wall. We just bought this modern farmhouse and we're on a slab, so we're not getting the airflow we need in our master bedroom, and I'm going to try these out. Instead of just blowing right in front of the window, we're going to try to redirect the heat and cooled air over top of our bed and try to disperse it a little bit better. Let's take this out of the box. You can get these anywhere. Like anything, if I have links, I'll put them on the bottom of the description page on YouTube. Whatever you guys purchase from there, from those links, we appreciate it. It helps us build the channel, and the proceeds go to the channel. So it looks like it's got these little grooves right here, and this must slide over top of it, and that gives you your adjustment for the size. And a little groove up top there, and it does. So it just slides in like this and out to adjust the width of your register. This right here are the magnets on both sides. And if you have a metal diffuser, register, vent, whatever you want to call it, that's supposed to stick right to it. That's what you need. And there you go. Now what that'll do is that airflow will come into here and it'll hit this scoop and push out this way. If it was on your floor, it'll do the same thing. It's going to push out towards the floor in the direction you want it to. Now we have, you know, these little dampers right here, so I couldn't put it right where the screw was, so I had to shift it back a little bit. But that's how it works. So there they are, installed in the bedroom ceiling over the registers that we have. Now we're going to have to see how much that magnet holds up. It did say unbreakable on the package. Well, that's going to fall about 10 feet to the floor. So we'll find out. If they fall and scare the living crap out of me in the middle of the night, I will have to let you know. Hey everybody, well, full disclosure, I put this video away and I forgot all about it. I've got a bunch of them that I just have not been motivated to get done. And this one, I'm sorry, was one of those ones was just sitting around in there. These have been up now for over a year, so this is definitely an honest review. In my opinion, they absolutely work fine. We've used them for summer cooling and also winter heating. And we do notice that it does push the air out, and that envelope of air will just fall down on top of you, on top of our bed here in our master bedroom. They seem to work fine. Whether they're gimmicky or not, I don't know, but like I said, they're working for us. Instead of just a curtain of air just falling down in front of our windows here, we now have it redirecting down this way and then falling down a little bit, you know, to create that envelope of air that you need. So that's it. In my opinion, they work. Give them a shot. I mean, they're not real expensive. I will put links underneath the description on YouTube. You can click on them if you want. Whatever residual income, like I said, generates, it really helps the channel. I do purchase all this stuff on my own. Hey, please share with your family and friends. Give us a thumbs up and a like. It lets YouTube know that you do like our videos, and they'll rank us higher in their ratings. Hope everybody's doing well, and please subscribe to the channel. Take care.